welcome to Smart Life Week. My name is Katie and I am here at this exhibition where we can learn about smart urban technology. So let's take a look inside and talk to the companies. Let's go. My next interview partner works for a company called Planby. 안녕하세요. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So what company is Planby?
So Planby is a technology company that uses generative AI to create architectural design proposals for architects, architectural designers, and real estate agents.
All right, so what does that mean specifically?
Okay, so we take screenshots of 3D modeling images that architects made, and we turn them into lifelike renderings using simple prompts and reference images. And for real estate agents, if they upload pictures of empty spaces on their listings, we can fill that space with interior design elements using reference images. So if you see on the screen here, this is a screenshot of a SketchUp modeling file. And if you upload that and specify what kind of space it is and put a reference image like that, we can turn it into a lifelike rendering containing the design elements from the reference image.
Wow.
Like so and so. So this was an example of interior space, and we also do exteriors as well. So likewise, you take a screenshot of a 3D modeling file of an exterior space and upload a reference image containing the design elements of your interest, and it turns it into a lifelike rendering with all the structural features of the original 3D modeling file intact. So this cuts the design process by a lot, over 1,000 times, quicker and cheaper.
Okay, now I understand. So you can basically keep the structure and just change the, I don't know, like the look.
The finishing materials.
Yeah, the materials, the lighting, the colors around,
exactly.
and switch that out and see what looks best.
And for real estate agents, if you see here, this is a photo of an actual commercial real estate space in Japan. And if you take a photo of that and put a reference image, it designs the space into fully furnished and designed space. So this also, as you can see, the structural features are all intact. So this is an actual plausible, possible potential interior design for the space of interest. So when clients come to real estate agents, they can instantly visualize what kind of space that listing can be. So it really makes the space more saleable and more appealing to whatever customer or client they have.
Right, because you can immediately see what it could look like.
Yes. And you can also choose different reference images to turn it into a space of different purpose. So we use an office as an example, but if you put a reference image of a cafe or a library or etc., it'll turn that space into a space of different purpose, and that'll help clients visualize what kind of space this listing can be used for.
Okay, that's fascinating. That's really, really interesting. So, where is this being used right now?
Also, right now we have some clients in Japan and the US. They're real estate agents, so they use it to make images for their brochure. Usually they would have to stage it physically to show the potential of the space, but now they can use our service to provide potential images of the space. And we also have clients in the architectural design space. So once they have the rough 3D modeling file ready, then they can show different variations of the same structure with different design tone and manner. And the clients can choose which one they like the most, and then they can proceed to construction.
Okay, fascinating. What are your future plans?
So right now we're developing a custom tool for a commercial real estate company. So right now the demonstration you saw was for the general main model that we have, but we have custom models built for certain companies, like enterprise clients. We train our model and we make a new product as a whole. So we separate the server, we separate the database and everything, and train our models based on their design tone and manner. So you would expect some companies to have a consistent tone and manner when it comes to design. So we would get those images and train our model based on that. And the results of our services would be more in line with that design tone and manner that the company is pursuing.
Right. And do you have any markets that you're targeting right now or that you're planning to target in the future?
So mainly our target right now is the real estate market and architectural design market, but we plan to move on to the actual 3D modeling itself so we can automate that process as well. So that in that sense we'll actually tap into architectural engineering and architectural planning rather than design. So we're trying to move forward in that direction.
Well, it seems like there's still a lot that's doable with this. Like it looks amazing. It's so fascinating. Good luck for the future. Yeah.
And thank you guys for the interview, and I hope this gets a lot of views. Hi.
I hope so too. I mean, if you're interested, check them out. It looks amazing. Like I would like to design my home like this. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.